For respond to various activities, most of Garmin's watches equip with 3 different recording methods. Today, we will show you the differences between these recording methods. First, every second. Every second recording will record a GPS point once per second, regardless of your directions, speed, heart rate, or elevation. GPS track changes will be more detailed. Data accuracy is the highest one in 3 modes. However, battery power consumption is also the fastest. Smart recording. Smart recording is the default setting of Garmin's watches. The principle of this method is to save GPS points when changes in directions, speed, heart rate, and altitudes are detected. Compared to every second, smart recording reduces the frequency of data saves to extend the battery life and keep it in a smaller file size. Although the accuracy is slightly lower on the winding road, it is enough to handle most of the training. For example, if we run on the same route at the same pace in 2 different methods, you will get 2 tracks like this. The upper track used every second, while lower track used smart recording. You can see that every second recording creates a smoother track line and picks up small changes that smart recording does not. If you need to change from 2 different modes, select Setting, System, Data Recording to switch. The third method, UltraTrac, is more specific. You can open UltraTrac on the compatible watch by selecting an activity, then choose Activity Setting. GPS, select UltraTrac. UltraTrac is suitable for long-distance competitions like ultramarathon or Ironman triathlon. The first 2 recording methods are overridden once you enable the UltraTrac, and the recording interval will reduce, which extends the battery life. However, the data will be less accurate compared to other methods. Now you know the difference between the recording modes. You can evaluate and choose the mode that works best for you. Thanks for watching.